Hey guys. All right, so this wig comes from Eayon Hair Company. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. The texture is body wave. As y'all can see, it does come with the fake scalp, and that is the new fake scalp method, so you don't have to worry about ripping or tearing. And also it comes with the adjustable band, an adjustable cap, and also combs in the unit. So you already know what that means. This definitely can be worn glueless. Okay, if you all would like, so I will be applying the wig with absolutely no glue. This wig was very easy and simple to apply straight out of the box, really. I'm just going in and plucking the unit, and I'm just plucking right there in the front. I'm not going across the whole hairline because the hairline really looks fine, and I'm gonna widen the part up a little bit just so it won't look so skinny and unnatural. But like I said, this wig is just super easy. It's really, I would say, for like first time wig wearers. A lot of ladies want to just put on something and go. They don't want to have to deal with a lot of the plucking, the bleaching, the dyeing. This wig is pretty much already done for you. All I did was put it on and style it. Okay, perfect for every day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I know that the styling for this particular wig was very quick, but that's because this pretty much is a do nothing wig. I didn't have to do a whole lot. I feel like straight out of the pack this wig looked great. I thought that I was gonna have to like put some curls in it or something like that because it is a body wave wig. If you know anything about like extensions or weave or whatever, you know body wave, a lot of times you have to manipulate that. You have to either curl it or like flat iron or something like that because the natural like body wave look doesn't always look the best, if you know what I'm saying. But this is like the best looking body wave that I have ever seen. Like this looks so good, and this bob is super thick. Like this bob is super thick. Do y'all see all that body and that flow? Like this bob is like where it's at. Everyone wants bobs. They're quick, they're easy, you know, all that. But I did not apply this wig with any adhesive, and it is super snug. I do have my adjustable strap, my elastic band. I do have that fixed to my, you know, to my liking. I didn't really utilize the combs that are on the inside, but those combs are there for you if that's something that you would like to use. Also, it is an adjustable cap, okay, which I really would recommend using your elastic band and also your adjustable cap for a very snug glueless type of look. I didn't use glue nor gel, okay, and this looks awesome. So I did not go in and really pluck a whole lot. I plucked a little bit in the front. That's to open it up so it can look a little bit more natural, so the part wouldn't be so skinny and narrow. Also, I put a little makeup. I did pluck the part to make it wide too. I plucked in the front and also the part. Now, also I put a little makeup in there. It looked good without the makeup, but I just like to always go in and just add my foundation shade like right in that part because it just makes everything, like I said, just seems like everything kind of pops, okay, and just kind of goes together and looks, like I said, that much natural. So yeah, this is, I think, 14 inches. I will, like I said, have all of the specs down below. Count how many times I say like I said in this video, okay? I ain't cutting it out. I'm just not. So anyways, this wig does come with the fake scalp. All right, so some people like the fake scalp, some people do not like the fake scalp. There are pros to the fake scalp and cons. It's pros and cons to pretty much everything. Me, the fake scalp is cool. It really is. I feel like you do not have to use the ball cap method a lot or anything like that. So because it already comes with like a built-in wig cap, so you don't really have to use the ball cap method because it's already like a cap inside, hence ball cap. Okay, so, and also if you don't, you know, like to wear wig caps, then this already comes with the wig cap inside, so you don't have to worry about all of that, you know. So I just feel like it kind of eliminates some other steps to like your wig routine. Okay, so I wear a wig cap regardless, you guys know that, and that's because I have very, very long hair. If I do not wear a wig cap, then my hair is going to be all over the place, all willy-nilly. I'm going to have braids sticking all out, and it's just going to look crazy. So I have to wear one, and it's not really for any other reason but to just keep my hair all in one place, because like I said, it'll be all everywhere. Okay, so it's just to kind of keep it together. And I also do believe that wig caps kind of protect your hair from like the roughness of wigs, but that's just my opinion. Okay, so anyways, yes, it does have that built-in fake scalp. Now it does come with the new and improved fake scalp method. Okay, so it doesn't come with the, I don't have like a stocking cap. So the old fake scalp methods came with just a regular old stocking cap, and people were having a lot of drama with them. They were ripping, they were tearing, and things like that. So this comes with the new and improved fake scalp. Okay, so you don't have to worry about ripping, and you don't have to worry about tearing. That layer of cap is very secure on top. Okay, also some people say that you can see the cap through the lace. I think that this looks awesome. It's pretty much undetectable, so no complaints here about any of, you know, seeing the cap through the lace and things like that or whatever. But like I said, this wig is super, super thick. Of course, if you did not like this particular style, you can go in and wand it. You can put like some pretty like little feathered out curls in it. You could wash it and wet it and like scrunch it and get like that wet bob look. That will be super, super, super cute. Okay, so you can go a lot of different ways, a lot of different avenues with this particular wig. Literally, I did not have to do anything. This wig is specifically for my girls who don't like to do anything like me. Hello. I don't like to do a lot. So an everyday wig, this is the one. Okay, so this is like one of those work wigs. You leave it out the house, you could dress this wig up, you could dress this wig down. This is just one of those type of things. Okay, this wig does come from Eayon Hair Company. You guys know I have reviewed for them for quite some time now. I do like their wigs. The quality of their wigs are just great. Okay, so do check them out. I will leave links and everything down below. They're very affordable and very friendly. So if you would like I said, check them out. If you have tried their wigs before, let me know down in the comments what you guys have thought about them. Did you like them? Did you not like them? Just leave it on in the comments and we'll be sure to discuss. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.